In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use code blocks on Discord. A code block is a section of text that is formatted differently from the rest of the text, typically to represent programming code or command lines. In Discord, a code block changes the background surroundings of the text, making it stand out visually. It helps to make the code more readable and distinguishable from regular text. And here's how to do it. For single-line code blocks, launch the Discord on your PC. Navigate to any server and choose a text channel where you have message permissions. Click on the text box to start typing. Input a single backtick. Type the content of your message. End the message with another single backtick and press enter to send the message. For multiple line code blocks, select the text channel and ensure you can type in the text box. Type 3 backticks without spaces between them. Press Shift plus Enter to start a new line. Type multiple lines of texts, and after typing your last line, type 3 more backticks, and press Enter to send the message. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.